Hi there! Today we'll go over another important JavaScript topic, and that is falsy values. So, what are they? Well, falsy values are values that will evaluate to false when used in a Boolean context, like when using a conditional statement. There are 6 false values, and they are 0, null, undefined, an empty string, nan, and false. Now, it's important to note there are some other less common values that I would say are pretty rare, but it would be good to know. Those are -0, big int 0, and document all. All right, so how would you use a falsy value in an actual code snippet? Well, we can use an if statement, and we'll pass in a falsy value like an empty string. Inside of the if block, we will add a console log of truthy. Then we'll have an else block, and inside of it, we'll add a console log of falsy. Now, if we hit save, we'll see that we log falsy, which means that the empty string evaluated to false, leading to the execution of the code within the else block. On to some theoretical questions. You might be asked to name all of the falsy values. They are 0, null, undefined, an empty string, nan, false. You can also mention -0, big int 0, and document all. You might be asked to explain the outcome of this expression. Now, the result will be true. What will happen is that the string 0 will be coerced to the number 0. 0 is considered falsy, and using the loose equality operator, false and 0 would equal true. Lastly, you might be asked, how does the logical not operator interact with falsy values in JavaScript? The answer is it would negate them. For example, if I put the logical not operator in front of false, it would evaluate to true. The same would hold if I put the logical not operator in front of 0, as it would for any other falsy value. On to some coding related questions. You might be asked, what will be the result of the following? And so we have a console log followed by an expression that is comparing multiple values by using the OR operator. So the logical OR operator evaluates from left to right and returns the first truthy value it encounters. Or if every value is falsy, it returns the last falsy value. So when we compare 0, that's going to be falsy. Then the empty string is also falsy, but then 2 is a truthy value. Because of this, we return the value 2. Lastly, you might be asked to create a function that accepts an array and returns a new array of only falsy values. We've got an example array up here for starters, and we can utilize the filter method on the array. Where this might get tricky is remembering how to use filter. So remember, filter accepts a callback, and it only includes values into the resulting array if the element that is passed into the callback causes the callback to return true. Cool, so let's start with creating a false filter function. As a parameter, we will use one named r for array. Then inside, all we have to do is return the result of calling filter on r, and then inside the filter callback, we'll pass x, and because we want only the falsy values, we will want to add the logical not operator in front of x, because this will result in the falsy values returning true because the logical not operator negates them. We can log the value and see we in fact only log false values. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.